If I had just $100 to my name and I needed to start flipping products from scratch, no store, no license, no experience, this is exactly how I would do it. Number one, you do not need bulk inventory. See, bulk inventory is not where we want to be right now, especially when we're starting with a low budget. So a lot of people tend to start with these low budgets and think that they got to get the most for the money that they have. Now, when I say the most, people are really dictating what products they're getting and only thinking about it in the individual sense. No, you want to think about it by getting variety, because you never know what's going to resonate with the consumers that you will be able to reach. Now, again, I understand that if replicas are selling great there, you think replicas are going to sell great here. But again, there's always a different metric that may be hitting for you that may not be hitting for them. So you don't want to judge your success based upon what somebody else is seeing. Sometimes you want to play around with it and see exactly what products are going to sell for you. Most beginners waste their $100 on hype. Them watching YouTube videos or even just seeing people on Instagram unboxing clones and replicas, and they think, oh, I could just do this. I wouldn't even recommend you guys starting with just clones. And I'm somebody that literally sells them, right? You want to sell small ticket products first because you want to find a small ticket product that's going to be able to sell consistently. You want a product that can actually uphold profit and can do a good job at getting you reviews to build your profile. And you don't want to have to go and be persuaded by hype all the time. Sometimes it's okay just to stay focused on those small ticket products for a little so that you can actually build consistency. Remember, it's not about hype. It's also about profit and understanding that supply and demand is always going to be way more important than just going on trend. Remember, small boxes, big flips. If you know exactly what products to pick, bars. Now I'm on the computer and we're actually going to start looking at the build your own box. So right here, as you guys see, it says build your own box. We have the 4-piece and the 6-piece we're going to focus on today. So the 4-piece product box is going to actually cost you $64.99. So you get one of the product number one. So you can get AirPod Gen 2 clones. You can get AirPod Max clones. So these are right here. And again, these are going to be the headphones that a bunch of people are hype over. And yes, you want to get these, but you don't want to start selling these immediately. We're going to go with the Gen 2 clones. Then the next products that you can get is a Type-C adapter. So again, guys, the Type-C adapter, where's one at, is a really solid product for you to start selling. So I'll give you guys a good example. This right here is a good product to sell. You get this for right now less than what we actually sell in bulk wholesale, but in wholesale we're paying around anywhere between $3.50 to $4 for this. You can sell this for $6.50, $7.50, $8 if you would like. And again, it is a product that is selling all the time. We'll do the Type-C adapter, and then we can go with a cable. So I always do the Type-C to Lightning cable, and these cable cords, again, you want to get because you can bundle. All right. Now the next one is going to be the product number 4. I like to choose the 3-in-1 wireless charging pad. This is a really cool product. I love this product, and it is a product that sells. All right, so that would be your 4-piece product box. And this is something you can get at wesply.com. Now, if we go back over here, we can go to the 6-piece product box, right? So you get 2 of product number 1. So you can get 2 AirPod Gen 2 clones, 2 AirPod Max clones on the iPhone 7 or the or the X6 headphones. You then want to choose product number 2. We'll do Type-C adapter again. Product number 3, you can do the Type-C Lightning cable or the USB to Lightning or even the Type-C to Type-C. And then, of course, in the product number 4, we're going to choose the 3-in-1 charging pad. And these are literally easy for you to set up and be able to sell. You're getting a wide variety of products that you can customly choose. And it is really, really cool because you're building a box for you to be able to build profit. Another option that we have is the resellers kit, where you get 2 options, okay? You can go ahead and you can start actually selling the $250 box, which gives 30-piece products, or the $320 box, which is 50, okay? 50 products for $320 or 30 for $250. Now, starting out, I would not recommend this for you if you're somebody that wants to start small. Again, the 4-piece or the 6-piece will just do. And it's something that you can actually start immediately, and you can start actually sourcing and finding a product that sells for you. I'd sell these products on platforms like eBay, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, and even OfferUp. But one thing I will say too is I'll also go and be customer facing. I'll try to sell these products in front of customers as well, because we see a lot of success when we are facing the customer and they can give us some good insight on products. So if you're somebody looking to start reselling, it's important for you to get customer feedback, as customer feedback does actually matter. It gives you an insight on what exactly to choose and what not to, what type of product to sell, what type of products are resonating with people around you, and it's something that can further your business as a brand and of course curate your relationship with direct consumers. Lastly guys, you don't need $1,000 to start reselling, you just need a system. And remember guys, these kits are the system. You're able to build without having to break the bank. You can do this for less than $100.